Hey, guys. Welcome back to Tech24, your go-to channel for all things innovative and tech-savvy. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with the revolutionary hairdryer brush amp 5-in-1 Air Styler. This multifunctional hair styling tool is a game changer, featuring a powerful hairdryer that can dry your hair in a flash, 2x32mm hair curlers with automatic wrap curl technology, a 60mm oval volumizer brush, and a 32mm round brush for creating natural curls and more. With this all-in-one styler, you can achieve any hairstyle you desire with ease and efficiency. The high-speed 110,000 RPM brushless motor and 1,200 W performance create a strong airflow for fast drying while maintaining low heat, resulting in fewer frizz and smooth, shiny hair. And with the Ionic care system, your hair is protected from heat damage, leaving it volumized and healthy. But what sets this styler apart is the auto airflow curl system, which creates voluminous and smooth natural curls without extreme heating, thanks to its powerful continuous airflow. The best part. It's easy to use and comes with a sleek travel carrying case for on-the-go styling. Plus, it meets US safety requirements, so you can use it with confidence. So, if you're ready to take your hair game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the hairdryer brush amp 5-in-1 Air Styler today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more game-changing tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.